Namaste friends, very warm welcome to my channel Fate in Your Hand by Vipasha, and today is the first video of my show. Okay, so this was like I have been thinking about from very long time. I should make a video. I should make a video online about all the tarot cards, tarot readings. Even my friends, my clients, my clients, they all were insisting me, ki Vipasha, you should come on YouTube and you should make a video. But I was like always very like lazy about this thing, and I did not have any clear idea what should I do. What should I do with the video. So what I thought today, maybe everything has it's like divine timing. Then everything gets starts like on on some divine timing. So today I thought like maybe today is that day. Today is that divine day when I decided, okay, now I should make my video on YouTube. But I have kept my show, my video, very open. I mean, like my viewers, my audience can tell me what kind of show they want. Either they want a tutorial kind of thing on YouTube, or they want like a generic prediction, generic tarot reading, or they want like astrology. If they want to learn astrology, basic things about astrology, that can that I have totally left on you guys. Okay, so my viewers. And one more thing, that is one more thing, I am keeping my video very short and crisp, so that you don't become very you don't become bored. Because with like with my experience, I get bored. I get very bored with long videos. So I have made a point that I will keep my videos short and crisp. Okay, so let's get started. Today I have chosen the topic. I have chosen a topic that when you are going to meet the love of your life, the true love of your life, when you are going to meet them. Okay, so what you have to do, you just have to think about the question. And there are three piles. Okay, you can see that there are, I have kept the three piles over here. I hope it is visible. So one is this black crystal, one is this green crystal, and one is this purple crystal. You take a while, you take a deep breath, and you just ask the question, from divine. Okay, when I am going to meet my perfect partner or true love of my life. Okay, you take a minute. I'm waiting. Okay, now you must have selected the piles. So I'm going to start with this pile, purple pile. This is my first, this is second, this is third. Okay, so whomsoever has selected the first pile, let me see that. Okay, in the first pile, I have got King of Sword, Nine of Pentacle, Three of Empress, and Fool. Okay, so this is like very beautiful combination. So what time comes in my mind seeing these cards? All cards are very summery cards, very warm cards. So first, and the Empress is again summers, and Fool is somewhere around like March. But we can decide it like somewhere in summers, like somewhere around April, May, or June. April, May, or June, you can definitely meet your perfect partner. And the partnership is going to be definitely long term, because I have King of Sword over here, I have Empress over here. Empress is always about long term partnership. And Fool. Fool is something, when you can expect something unexpectedly. Um it is like you don't expect someone to come in your life, and that person suddenly comes in your life. It is something like that. You are just not expecting, but that person comes to your life. Okay, so if you have King of Sword, this is for females. If you have King of Sword, so you can understand that this thing, that your partner can be very strict, very disciplined, and very intellectual, and very sharp minded, very logical. And he will not be a very creative person for sure. Again, he will be little non romantic kind of person. But again, fool is here. So okay, occasionally the person can become a romantic kind of person, or the person may like to travel, or the person can have some sort of artistic interest. And if you are a male, and if you are seeing this video, then you have a perfect partner waiting for you. It is like that beautiful, intellectual, uh, financially well off, from a very good financial background, again an artist, and someone who is really nurturing in nature, who really, wants to be in a, what I say, family, group of people. The person who, who doesn't want to live isolated, they always want to live in, family, they're like, uh, family person. Okay, now the second pile is, so whomsoever has selected the second pile, in second pile I have four of wands, seven of pentacle, the hanged man, and magician. Okay, so the here four of wand may promise a marriage. It's like that whenever you will meet the person, you will definitely plan to get married with that person, because it's a, again, seven of pentacles here is indicating something in long run. Maybe you have just met your partner, and after, maybe after 7 8 months, or maybe after a year, you can plan to get married with that person. That can be your plan. That's a long term thing. Hangman is here, magician is here. So the situation, like, can become like, see, again, if you are a male, if you are a female, and if you have selected this card, so the person can be of very unpredictable nature. You cannot predict the nature of the person. The person can be very moody, a person who loves to hold power in his hands, the person who is, on his own comfort zone. It's very difficult for him to come out of his comfort zone. That can be a thing, but yes, person can be very loyal partner, very loving partner, but yes, somewhere, whom mess you should not mess with this kind of person, like, because they will not listen to you. They will do the things, I mean, according to their wish or their choice. And if you are a male as well, and if you have selected this particular cards, this particular pile for you, again the same thing goes with you. You can just you can just understand the same things in terms of a female partner. Okay, but one thing is that marriage, possibility of marriage or possibility of long-term relationship is there. Again, if you are going to if we are going to understand a time period, the time period is coming in May June. But again, hangman is there, so it can be somewhere around May June or April to May June. This seem like the first time. Okay, now it's the time for the third pile, the final one. If you have selected this final card, so I have Page of Cups, I have Eight of Wands, I have Queen of Cups, and the Chariot. Okay, so very beautiful emotional understanding between you and your partner. Time is coming in July, the month of July. If you are a male, if you are a no, let's start with the female. If you are a female and if you have selected this card, maybe you can find this person, this guy, a bit immature, a bit immature. So, like, immature, or maybe intellectual. I mean, you will feel that, he's some kind of boyish kind of person. He's somewhat, the college boy kind of person. And okay, if you are a college boy, if you're a college girl, that is perfectly fine for you. But if you're a male, you can find that, okay, this person, the lady, the girl has, she has got she's very sentimental, she is very emotional. It's like that, someone who is really worried about her emotional insecurity, but again a very loving and very caring person she can be. So, okay, and lot of travel. Maybe whom so if you have selected the third pile, I'm sure you guys have the love for traveling. So you both have the love for the traveling, and this can be a reason you can get along very well with each other. And timing is coming in March. Okay, so this was a short video of today, and I hope you have liked my video, you have liked my channel. But yes, as I said, This channel is very open, you know, how you want to create this channel, how you want me to take this channel ahead. So you can suggest in like comment section. If you want to learn tarot, that is also fine with me, I can do that. If you want to like generic kind of prediction, I can do that. If you want to learn basic of astrology, basic beginning, so beginning of the astrology, I can help you with that. So these are okay. And if you have any question, any doubt, so in the description there is my mail ID, and you can also follow me on Facebook. The Facebook account is same, Fate in Your Hand. Okay, so guys, I hope to see you again. So again, I am very skeptical about my video. I hope you really like it. Thank you so much. Namaste.